Hey Chalk Nation, it's your girl Chalk and I am back with another video, and in this video I have a special winter holiday press on nail haul from Temu, and I also got some nail supplies, and the holidays are here and we do not do last minute shopping, so let's get into it. Okay, so first off, let me just say thank you Temu for sponsoring this video. Temu is one of my favorite sites to get my personal nails, nail supplies, and pretty much everything from. So thank you Temu. And all the products in this video will be linked in the description, so make sure you guys check out the description box. But get into this first set. This set is like a blue and silver snowflake set. It has those big pretty chunky diamonds on it, and these nails are perfect for the winter season and the holiday season. Even though your standard Christmas colors are like red and green, I feel like the blues and the silvers are necessary as well, and this set is so cute. And this next set I got for Thanksgiving because, you know, Turkey Day is around the corner and these nails are very festive. You get fall vibes from these nails. They are very transparent, so I feel like this would be good to use a Gel X system when applying these nails. You can also apply them with glue as well, but since they are transparent, I'm going to put these on with the Gel X system. And of course, I got a tutorial for these nails coming up because I will be wearing these nails for Thanksgiving. One thing I did not like about this set is that all the nails that have the leaves on it are the same size, and the only finger that those nails fit on is my pinky finger. So I put together a cool set with it anyway. Still cute. We still gonna work it out. And next I have these really cute snowflake charms. I love to bedazzle my nails, as y'all know. I'm always adding bling or some type of charms to my nails, especially when I feel like the nails are kind of plain and they're missing something. I'm always adding extra to my nails. So these are perfect for the holiday and winter season. They are really big. I thought they would be a little bit smaller, so I probably would only be able to add one on each finger, but one in the center of a nail would still be really cute. And this set right here really caught my eye because this green is so pretty, and it's a matte green, and it's like different hues of green. You got like a darker green and then like almost like a mint green, and that nude just brings the greens together and makes such a cute set. So if I were to apply this set, this is how I would mix the set up, and that is so cute, perfect for winter time and the holiday season as well. And now y'all know everybody loves this print during the holiday season. You'll be seeing it on matching pajama sets, house shoes, the flannel shirts that everybody wear every single Christmas season. This is like the standard print for Christmas, and I love it. I'm guilty of having many items with this print on it myself, so why not have a nail set with this print on it? And look how cute this set is with the reindeers and the trees. And I love the coffin shape and that this set is matte as well. And of course I had to get my dynamic duo, my base coat and top coat. The top coat is so thick and just gives nails that salon quality finish that I really love. And this set right here is definitely giving all the Christmas vibes. I love the green and the red. That green is a really pretty green. And I love the stripes, and the Christmas decorations on these nails are so cute. And this is also a matte finish, so I love it. So I also got this peel off base coat because my girl long hair pretty nails, if you don't know who that is, she is also a YouTuber and she creates nail content as well, and she applies a peel off base coat sometimes when she's doing her tutorials so that the nails can come off easier and she can get on into another set for another video. So shout out to long hair pretty nails for that tip. She definitely walked so a lot of us nail content creators could run. So Shout out long hair, pretty nails. Now this set right here, it's so bomb. I love the red bandana print. I love how it's like a French tip bandana, and then one says ho ho ho, and then we have Santa on the other one, and then we got some bling going across another one, and then we have a plain one. So this set is very mixy, and I love sets that are like that have different designs for each finger, all while coming together to make such a cute set. Now this set is my favorite set out of this nail haul, because why? Of course it's because it has the Grinch on it. The Grinch is one of my favorite Christmas movies. I watch it every year, sometimes even when it's not even Christmas season. I watch it with my daughter. My daughter also loves the Grinch, and I know it's a tad early, but I'm always preparing early before the Christmas season, and our Christmas pajamas this year are the Grinch. So these nails are going to be perfect for our Christmas photo shoot to match our Grinch pajamas, and I'm super excited about that. I have my tree up and ready. I always prepare for each holiday about a month and a half in advance, because y'all know the stores be having the decorations a month prior, or sometimes 2 months prior. So yeah, I've been in there getting it in. Thanksgiving hasn't even passed, and I've been Christmas shopping already. But yes, this set is everything. So I also got this 240 piece full cover gel nail tips, because I do plan on creating sets of my own, and of course I'll be doing more videos where I'm showing you guys how you can create your own sets too. So this is perfect. I hope you guys enjoyed this Temu haul as much as I loved doing it. I cannot wait to get into all these sets and do more tutorials on these nails for you guys. All the items in this video are linked in the description for anybody that would like to go to Temu and get them. If you are a new user, make sure you click the link in the description and download the Temu app, and make sure you use my referral code FAVE23582 so you can get an exclusive discount and save on your order. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. If you are watching this video and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. You are going to love it here. Make sure you guys also have that notification bell on so you don't miss anything, and you'll know when the next video is dropping. And drop a comment and let me know what your favorite item from this haul is, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.